Hello everybody and welcome to Fair City. I don't know much about this game yet, but I saw it in VG Person Games, if I'm correct on the website. VG Person, the person who translate these old games, old RPG Maker. This trip lane, nostalgic. I don't know, nostalgic memory for me, but I have hazy memories on this. So without further ado, let's play Further City with the keyboard. Hey mom, when I get bigger, I want to collect all the stuff people want so I can see everyone happy, so I want to run a general store. But maybe it's kind of weird for a boy to run a general store. Not really, I think. So, excuse me a moment. Oh, hello. Sorry to come so early. I am Hopopopo, the representative mayor of Fairdev City. Good to make your acquaintance, Hoho. So, besides that, what else was I going to say? You are that pigula who just moved into town, yes? And it would seem you came to this town alone, seeking to open a general store. That's right. Oh, I see. Well, you see, I have just the good news for you today, Pigula. If you act now, you can have a plot of land in Fairder City's shopping district for a mere 5,000 yen. It's quite large and a and nice and sunny in a location where many people pass by, yet such a low price. Why with why with this alone? I can see a bright future for your store, Pigula. Ho, thanks. I hope that look on your face. There's no possible way to such possible which oh that look on your face. There's no possible way such a property hasn't been sold yet. Oh no, it's perfectly fine. It's still up for grabs. After all, there are rumors that that building is haunted at night. But really na Pigula, it's 5,000 yen, you see. 5000. You'd be remiss to pass this up. Well, at any rate, you must take a look at the property. Oh, it's such a good building. The first step toward your dreams. If you're in a purchasing mood, come to the property anytime. I'll be waiting for you. Okay, that was so weird. There's a blue book. Should I take a look inside? Okay. If you want to meet the next day, search out today's objective. Once you complete today's objective, then return home. And then simply sleep in bed. There's nothing complex about it. By the time you wake up, you at the time you wake up tomorrow will surely have arrived. Note, if you eat the food here, you may see strange illusions. However, illusions are only that. Let's all pay them no mind. An abstract painting which I don't remember when I bought. Looking at it makes me sort of nervous. A big dresser. Okay. Trash can is empty. A bulky heavy mushroom table. Okay. What could this be? What the hell? Why may electrical pole dito? May poste ng kuryente. Maraming ganda ng mundo. Ano to? Should I get the bat? I don't know. Not yet. time but time owned but to use at any time. By use of a special formula, it allows you completely a private bath time. It's designed to be invisible to others so you can pay people's gaze no mind and frolic as much as you like. Okay, roll in. Hello. Okay, let's save. Thank you. Looks like it's closed for today. Carefully cared for flower bed. Okay. Blue ribbon, fancy clothes, and accessories galore. Okay. Aquarium bar. Drink by the day away in a gloomy atmosphere. It's locked. Okay. Good day, you're a new face. I am a doctor at the hospital. Please come by right away if you are feeling ill. I will heal you up in no time. No worries, no worries. You are one of a weird. Weird monitor human. Okay, this is the hospital. This one, Big Eye Community Center. It sees all because it's a Big Eye Community Center for everyone. Okay. What is this? How's the bus stop sign? Okay. Spe. Hey. Hey there, haven't seen you before. Oh, you're Pigola, huh? I'm Spe. Nice knowing you. See, for some reason or another, I always get so sleepy. Hmm. Oh man, you're snoring. In Tagalog, we call it hilik. Lakas ng hilik mo. Ganun. Like that. It's the expression we use in the Philippines. We use here in this country. The expression we say. Oh, Pigula, hello. You've come to see the property? How about this building? It does feel a bit used, but it's solid, wouldn't you say? And all this for 5,000, you recall. Recall, right? Recall? Ho ho. You'll just have to buy it. Yes, indeed. Ho ho. I don't have money. Ho. Well, can't I convince you for goodness sake? Just think about it once more. I'll wait until you change your mind. Okay. I know what you feel, but I don't have money yet. Crumble baker, even if it crumbles to itty bitty pieces. Our bread is still delicious. Well, depends. Sweet Gemini, delicious sweets that are 2 in 1. Delicious sweets with loads of volume. Okay, thank you. Kyle, hello there. Hahaha, weather, good weather, sparkly. I am Karakoro. I sell veggies, not selling today. Yeah. Wee, Bumble. Bumble. Okay. Yankee. This is a good city. It's a further city. Shall I look at it? Look. Shotengai pa. This is the shopping dish or Shotengai. Then mushrooms. Then further 2nd Avenue, 1st Avenue. This is the 2nd Avenue. Shotengai or shopping district. Okay. Hey, hello there. You're that Pigola I've been hearing about, aren't you? I'm Gilbert lang. I run a small brewery here in 2nd Avenue. A small but loving library to show everyone armor through reading is my mission. So don't hesitate for a moment to come visit the Figula. I welcome you. Hey, no problem. Thank you for that. Oh my god. Why it's French? Okay, I remember this game now. Jutem Library. Loving people and loving books. A bulletin board looks like this. Tells you all the kind of information about Fair City. In the center of the board, it says Community Troubles Corner. I guess maybe it's a place for townspeople to write concerns or requests. It would be nice to help out with something if I have time. I want to check it out regularly. I haven't met everyone in town yet. I'll focus on that for now. Okay, I will. Let's meet everyone. Cafe Ambrosia, offering you the finest of moments. It looks like they're out. Okay. Bus stop. Where does this bus go? I wonder. Bye for now, Gilbert lang. Huh? What you staring at, pal? Wanna go? Huh? Hero. Hero, okay. Oh, you asking me who I am? Name's Hero, the butcher here. Now who are you? What's that? You remember? You a newcomer? No wonder I didn't recognize ya. Cool. You and your familiar face. You wanna go? Eh? Okay. Oh, Gemini. Oh, hey, Gemini. There's this person I've never seen before. Oh, it's true. So you're Pigula. Nice to meet you. We're Gemini. Yes, both of us. We are. 2 in 1. We sell lots of sweet things. Here, come visit. Okay. Thank you. Oh, I haven't seen you around. Could you perhaps be that Pigula Miss Sana spoke of? Yes. Oh, pardon my manners. I am Yakov, the owner of Cafe Ambrosia on Further Second Avenue. I provide not only coffee and tea, but light meals as well. Please pay it a visit sometime. Whoa, who's this? Hey, you know who, yeah? The kid who just moved to Further, right? Kaha. No way. Just standing all polite for. Show me your stuff, bring it on. Name's Garuru. As you can see, I got a bakery. I'm kneading and baking and spinning bread all day and night. My main job though is yeast. You get me? Well, anyway, nice to meet ya. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go inside here. No. I am not allowed to go. I'm not allowed. Virgin bread section. Oh. Okay. Okay, one top. Those without this kind of pass. Ano, what? Temaneki. Okay. Those without, okay. Yes, I am Michibiki, the manager of these mushrooms. Your business, please. Oh, aren't you the newcomer? Oh yes, hello. Welcome to Further City. Well then, visitor, has the acting mayor told you about the mushrooms? Of course, I should have known how snappy that bird brain. The acting mayor is. So yes, the mushrooms is a facility that lets you go to all sorts of different worlds via these strange mushrooms. When you pass through, oh my, you'll be in the forest or the sea. You can go many places. Isn't it amazing? The townspeople make frequent use of them to collect materials for their shops, you know. Well, to put it simply, this place exists to obtain from other worlds things which can't be supplied within further. So if you have such need, Higula, come on by to the mushrooms. Oh, thank you very much. So a little bit of a isekai game, isekai RPG. Well, this RPG Maker, I love it. I don't know why I am so attracted to this kind of graphics. Maybe my Famicom era mindset. Maybe since I was a kid, this is my introduction to video games. This kind of graphics because of the second hand back in the day. Right, well, nowadays there is no second hand things now in this country. So, ish. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, good morning. You must be the boy who just moved to further city. I think your name's Figula. Hehe, aren't I clever? My big sis works at the community center, so I hear everything. I'm Luna. I sell clothes and accessories at this shop here. Let's get along, Luna. I, I will use the Japanese. Runa. Oh, who are you? Jamiga. Okay. Haha, what a sight. Indeed. So exquisite Roop. The roop. About strip. Roop. The roop. End of hardship. Roop. The roop. Oh dear, there's a customer there. Why didn't you say so? Ah, and a new face too. So it's Pigula, is it? That's a good name. Hon? Han. I'm Jamiga. I run this gloomy, moody bar here. See you around. She's this kid is like what was the word again? Shuchinoko. I mean Puigula. Cyclops. Yeah. It was like a Cyclops. Hello there, boy. Can I take your being here to mean you're interested in clothes? Helpa? Hehe. That's right. Boys need dress up to these days, or perhaps you're just a little precocious little boy. I wish Doctor would learn a thing or two from you. She's always wearing lame fluffy sweaters. Hey, don't blame him. Let's close for the day. Hello there. Okay, this is the community center. Hello there. We welcome you to Further City where all dreams come true. I believe you're Pigula, yes? Hopopopo had told me about you. My name is Sana. I take on various receptionist duties here in at Big Eyes Community Center. Good making at your acquaintance. Okay. Darn it. Let's swim. Let's take, but for now, yes. Yes. Thank you for the shower. What was my objective? Oh, okay. But with this array, I suppose you can open shop right this moment, are you? Can you? Oh, but no worries. Please leave this to us. We'll have it all cleaned up. Goes that's you within a week. In the meantime, Pigura, you may want to be making preparations to open the store for a smooth opening, yes? Well then, let's do our best. I'm itching to go. Ho ho ho. Okay. So, what should I do then? Go in here? I'm Michibiki. Yes. Another of course. My apologies for that. To use the mushrooms, you must have a permit given out at the community. So very sorry. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the reminder. Let's take some things for now. Hello Pigola, welcome to the Bigay Community Center. Incidentally, have you of course my little sister. Her name is Luna. She runs a shop called Blue Ribbon. I've met her. I see, did she perhaps cause you any trouble? She's an energetic girl who doesn't watch her surroundings, so I worry. If you could Pigola, I hope you'll be friends with Luna. Oh, of course. Of course. Morning, Pigola. This is kinda sad, but do you have any interesting passion, Pigola? I do. You do? I'm really glad. Actually, I don't really have too many clothes aimed at boys yet. But I mean, you're all interested and all. Take this as a sign of friendship. Oh, it's a pretty trendy scarf, right? I mean, it was leftovers from a sale, but rest up. There you go. He was very cute, huh? Okay, I love it. Haha. Okay. Well, hon, with my beautiful voice, who needs alcohol to get drunk? You're right. Eh, thank you. I'm feeling good, so I'll sing another verse just for you. Haha, lying on my back, so exquisite. Parasites in a field with parasites, insecticide, and parasites. Ah, okay. Hello, Pigor. Okay. Yeah. No. Okay. Okay, let's go to that. Oh, there's another. Okay. Huh? Hey, don't you just walk in here, you know the shops. close today. Well, you're a new face kid. You're a new face kid. You just move in? Alright. I get it. Sorry about that. I'm Jacob. I fix I fix up broken tools here and sell new ones. If you got anything broken, bring it here and I'll fix it. Okay? See ya. Hey kid, what's your name? That's what I'd usually say. That's what I'd usually say. But today's a regular day off. Sorry. By the way, you seen it that 5,000 yen property? I've seen it. You move good. Hey, you move quick. If you're planning on buying, you have to secure it soon. Me, don't really need it. I can focus on work better in a quiet place like this. Yeah, of course, you can. I have it already. Hey, Pigol. God damn it. Giroberto. I knew it. Bonjour. Come to think of it, Pigula. Do you like that to read? I do. Oh, that's fantastic. As the manager of a library, I'm as happy as can be. As the books I've gone to great lengths to collect are read by loving people, their stories gain greater depth. How beautiful, this is the ideal of a library. Oh yes. Alright. Okay. Let's look at the board, I think. Bulletin board. Okay. Wait. Hmm. Oh, Pigona, good morning. Hey, Pigona, do you like sweets? I baked cookies yesterday, but I made way too many. Will you take one? Of course. Thanks, it's really sweet, but should be tasty. Okay, thank you. Huh? What? You camera wala? By the way, pal, by the way, pal, surely I don't gotta ask. But you already greeted my best bro, right? Yeah? I did. Oh, you're fast on your feet for a newcomer. Ninja. Well, and he called this total stun, dude. When we are I call you Pigul. Come by switch to Kapechis to Marie. Bombol bombol. Karakuro. Oh yes, please have this. Yeah. This is small town, you see, it's critical that you get friendly with all the residents. Oh indeed, perhaps today you should prioritize that more so than your store. And everyone shops are closed today as well. The perfect time to say hello. Ho, ho. Go get them all. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Okay. Thank you. No, hell. He's the acting mayor was the trigger of it all. Oh well, okay. Hello there, boy. Can I take your being to meet you? Okay, yeah. Oh, that's right. Boys dress up to these days, or perhaps you're just a precious little boy. I stalked I would think from you. He's always wearing fluffy sweaters. Okay. Okay, my private bathroom. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, get out. You go. That's it for today. Yes. Oh, dream sequence. Well, that went dark real quick. Mitori can't become aware. Yappy, please there. Let's do this. It became too dark too quick. Oh man. This too, Mitori. Oy! Ugh, I forgot. Okay, what? What is this weird thing? Yes, yeah, Michibiki. Yes, hello, good day. It's me, Michibiki, manager of the Mushrooms and manager of the gallery. Sorry to startle you, may not suspect it, but I'm a busy fellow who does a lot of jobs. So, as the name says, the gallery is a place for visitors to view previews in movies, illustrations, and the like. Movies and illustrations can be added by meeting various conditions, so good luck collecting now. This guy, Pigula, a highly curious young boy who recently moved to Fairdesk City. He's working daily toward his dream of opening a general store. One for age 7. Too short, I think. Okay, save. Okay. Ay, what? Today's my second day. Okay. Oh, Pigula. Good morning. Good weather today, yes? Why am I here, you ask? Well, that is because I have something important to say. And about the 5,000 yen, you see, what can I say? Well, I did state you could pay at any time yesterday. Due to adult circumstances, if you can get the money today, it will be quite terrible. Oh, indeed. So then, Pigula, please prepare the 5,000 yen within the day. Bring it to the community center. How to make money? Well, that's not easily answered at the moment's notice. But you need not worry. The townspeople will tell you probably. God damn it, dude. Really? Gotta be fucking serious. Good morning, Pigula. Did you Pigula, the best. Runa, did you sleep well last night? So, what do you need today? Want to buy clothes? If you want to buy something, check one of the 4 selections, then pick out what you want. Oh, the top left cool clothes, and the top pretty, the bottom left are weird, and the bottom right natural. Oh, here. Oh, this is the weird one, okay. Natural, okay. Okay. What about the weapons? Okay. Oh, he's a cute boy after all. Pigur. Veggies, very tasty, crunchy. We buy. Okay, let's start time. Pigu. If you were a veggie, I think you were a carrot. It's my veggie fortune. Fortune. Right. Fortune. Okay. So this is the store of the. What was his name again? Damn it. Let's do it. Let's check that. Hey kid, sleep well last night? So what is it today? Fix something. Okay. Good morning for now. Good morning for now. Okay. Something written ito. Ah. Community Troubles Corner. Should I check it? Oh, of course. Lost something. Karakuro. Karakuro. Oh, okay. So I drop a pretty rock I really like. Where do you think it went? Went to community center yesterday. After that, all gone. Details, if you find my pretty rock, go see me with it. Thank you. Thanks so much. Should I take this request? If I don't resolve it before night, I'll just forget it. I ever took it. Yes. Yes. Big Eye Community Center, then the surrounding area sounds suspect. I look around there. There you go. Oh, nope. So this way. Okay. Oh, this is, I think. I wonder if this is the pretty rock. Other way to Karakoro right away is at the Green Grocer. Okay. Karakoro, right? Okay. Pigo was it? When I ate veggies? Handed over the pretty rock. Wow, this is the thing I lost. Thanks for finding. Super duper thanks. If you roll it around, it goes all bumble. It's fun. Oh yeah. You can Pigu. You can have this. This is for thanks. Yay! Obtain a Sao Tome. Won't lose it again. Won't lose it again. Thank you. Bumble. What the hell? Ano yun? How? Sao Tome. Okay, another one. Another one of these things. I never thought this game would be. I think. What was the word? What was the word again? Engaging. Okay, yes. Okay, resolve. Yes. Gilbert. Bonjour, tout le monde. It's a good season for reading, which is why I'm looking for people to write book reports. Anyone interested, come to the library. I request up the penning of a book report. Anyone is welcome. Yes, I will. So, I'll go to the library and talk to Wilbert. Wait, what was this? Katie, huh? Wow, for a handful of candles, tuna. How repulsive. This has environmental effects. Oh, excuse me, I was engrossed reading. I wasn't paying attention. Me, I'm Katie. I visit this library day after day and observe myself in the books. I'm enjoying them fully. Even seeing them in my dreams, yes. Hello there, Katie. Nice to meet you. Hey, Pigna, what are you fidgeting over? Do you need something from me? Book report. Oh, that's it. You saw the bulletin board and came over. Thank you. You're welcome. Well, to get right into it, could you decide what book you'll write about? I currently have only 4 books you can likely read at your age. Pick one of those, please. Just give them a read through, and come call for me once you've made up your mind. Uh, this one? Okay, nope. Yeah. Case of the Cabos. The place of Cabos has gone up. The father repeated like mad, but the mother, an eternal kitchen drinker, feigned ignorance. As the boy watching lit the incense at an altar to offer a prayer for his dead grandpa, something shocking happened, and yes, his grandpa came back to life. Yay, boy overjoyed. With grandpa's voice of authority, the deranged father became docile, and the mother quick drinking. Peace returned to the family. Yay. Okay, that was dark. Have you decided on a book to report on? Yes. Tell me, which book was it that pierced your heart? Yes. I see. What a rather absurd twist, but it's good. That never ends happy. I do enjoy happy endings. Well, take a paper and pencil. Can't wait for you to finish. Tung 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 tung. I never thought I would write again. Okay, I wrote it. I think it turned out pretty good. Well done, Pigula. I'm glad you put your all into it. I'll have to read this report more closely later. This is for you, so it's not much a major sign of things. Tayo na po, Faith. Truly, thank you for today. I'll just do my part and make these jobs more fulfilling. Okay. Awa. What? First of the please keep quiet. Number 1, treat the books carefully. Some of the books in the library are slightly shocking, so be aware. Okay. Okay. Should I go to the Mushroads? Let's go. Where are you, Michibiki? Ayan, yes, I'm Michibiki, the manager of this Mushroads. Your business, please. I want the door open. Yes, it's a door, of course. My apologies, I forgot to tell you. To use the Mushroads, you must have a permit given out at the community center. Very sorry. Okay, let's go back to the community center again. Whew. I never thought the 5,000 yen needed to pay today, huh? But it's kinda cheap for 5,000 yen. Hello, Pigula, welcome to Bigay Community Center. I've heard from Hopoko. It appears you must provide 5,000 yen within the day. What a task. So I have prepared something helpful for you, Pigula. Please let this be of use to you. Obtain a mushroom card. Thank you. That card allows you use of the famous Mushroads bridges between worlds. You did meet Michibiki yesterday, did you not? You know, that person who's hard to get a hold on. If you show that card to him, you can set out for other worlds right away. I felt this would be the best way for you to earn money, so please do your best. Thank you. What equipment should I get though? I don't have any equipments. That's the hardest part though. Michibiki, I need you. The door open. This is a door, of course. Ah, and you have a card. Well then, let me see that. Yes, your card is red, so you may use the red mushroom. Please wait a minute, I'll open it up. Open it right up. Okay, you're all set. Bon voyage. Okay. There's sign road, if I'm correct on the word. Man, this is so weird. Fuck. It came from further, huh? No wonder you could swim. So awkward. You came from further, huh? No wonder you swim so awkward. Well, if you want to swim like me, or crawling down along the ground, I guess you'd need a whole lot of training. Let me guess you came to make money too. Then I'd recommend collecting seashells personally for earning some pocket change. If you need anything else, you won't hesitate to ask me. Ocean veteran I am. Okay. Okay, let's stop the record. Okay, let's get back into it. Manda clubs. Okay. Obtained a bucket. The hell is a bucket though? Okay, let's ask the mermaid. Mermaid. Hello, I am a very handy mechanical mermaid. Call me Mermaid for short. My task is to exchange money for any shells that customers pick up. So, if you find any shells, please bring them to me. I am excited. Alright. Holy shit. The intense water pressure keeps me from moving forward. Town of smoke. Town of smoke. The painting is torn in half. Okay. Okay. Then a small rig. Seaweed cultivation. Okay. Okay, let's go. Save repayment. Okay. Okay. Let's swim. Obtain a middling shell. Obtain a small shell. Obtain a small shell. Obtain a large shell. Okay, let's go. Let's go back for now. I need some air for now or something. I'm sorry if you hear any stray cats fighting over something. I'm really sorry. Oh man, I hate those things. Okay, let's get some shells. Small. Wait. Do I need to fight here? I mean, is there any battle system? Okay, let's go. Three small. Excuse me. Oh man, back and forth. I'm gonna edit this out. I'm gonna edit this segment later. What time is it? 5 a.m. Okay. Small shell, middling, small shell. God damn it, cats. Small shell, middling shell. Oh man, I hate this. I hate this by creating money stuff. Oh man. Okay. What? There you go, Mecha. Mermec pack, I mean. Anti-cell shells. Yes. Middling, please. Okay, thank you. Small. Okay, thank you very much. Oh, okay. That was a good one. Save up 5,000 and I put it in but to make sure I don't spend it by mistake. Taking bug for 5,000 yen. Let's make more money, I think. If it's possible. A little bit of money for me. Yeah. That's good. Let's go. I completed the objective, so I'll grind a little bit for money. Oh man. This is for just a personal gain. Money. Small shell. Middling shell. For now, I need to get back. How many money? How many things I have? 6. Yeah, 6. Okay. At least he has a bag of 5,000 yen now for personal gain. That stupid bird brain. I need to do it. Oh, okay. Small shell. Small shell. Middling shell. Second time of playing it. Yeah, think so. Items. Oh, nice. Okay, let's get some of it now. Hello, Mermek. Yes. Thank you. Okay. 7,800 yen, huh? Too expensive. Too small. Yeah. In primary school perspective, it's too expensive. Oh, nice. What is this? Hello, Mitch Piki. Yes, good evening. I'm Mitch Piki. Your business, please. I want the door open. Yes, open the door, of course. It looks like open up the doors. Available door card. Come again if you issue the new card, please. Thank you. Well, I think there's a day and night cycle. Oh. Oh, who are you? Oh, Runa. Yo, Pigura. Good evening. Fancy meeting you here. By the way, Pigura, have you seen Garuru anywhere? I brought over some clothes he asked me for. I wonder if he's over by the cliff up in. He says when he's there, he feels on the verge of remembering something really important. But the things you forget, maybe sometimes you forget them because you wanted to forget. I'm not really sure. Well, I'm not really sure. Thank you. Is this the guy? Ano, Shpe. Said, but good morning. I've got work to do after this driving the bus. Oh. Good. Really? Oh, nice. Oh. Okay. What? Who is it? What are you asking? Garuru. Okay, wait. Let me look at him again. I think he is. This is the hills. So Karakoro. Think so. Wait, let me ask. Let me check my home if there is one. Nothing here though. Good evening, Pigula. Welcome to Bigay Community Center. Did good work today. Hopopo is always like this, I swear. If Hopopo tells you something absurd again, you're free to refuse as bluntly as you wish. Here. Here's your fine 5,000 yen. Oh, well, Pigula. Hello, well then. Have you brought the 5,000 yan for me. Oh, that's right. Oh, thank you very much. Let's have it. Handed over the pack of 5,000 yan. Oh, oh, yes, it's all here. I'm terribly sorry for asking this of you. I'd like to apologize somehow. Oh, I just had a good idea as an apology. I shall upgrade your mushrooms permit. Can do it right away, but come back here again tomorrow. We'll have a new card for you. Oh, oh. Ay. This bird brain. I can be very mad. What the hell? Popopo. They're their city's acting mayors, usually diligent, but it's known that he's lazy in certain strange ways. 45. Ooh. Swim. Okay. What the hell is this? There you go. Okay, this is the end for the second day of Further City. I will record more later, and first I will edit this out. Thank you for watching, everyone, and God bless you all.